Imagine if minutes from now you can start getting paid big fat $1,000 plus commissions straight to your bank account, without any traffic, product, or work on your part. That's right, a virtually unlimited, untapped 24/7 income stream that maximizes your profit with zero work for you. And it's all 100% newbie friendly, 100% done for you, and 200% money back guarantee if it doesn't work for you. How? Simple. You only need two things to succeed online. Number one, traffic. Number two, something to sell. And let me tell you, all the traffic right now is going to live conferences, webinars, and videos. Zoom alone now has over 300 million daily users. And there's no better product to sell than high-ticket offers that pay you $1,000 plus commissions for every single sale. So what if you could combine the power of unlimited traffic from live webinars, videos, and events with the incredible potential to sell $1,000 plus products without doing any of the work yourself? And I do mean zero, nothing for you to do. It would lead to a revolution in internet marketing unlike any other. Introducing Webbyo. Webbyo is the ultimate all-in-one webinar software that lets you harness the power of Zoom, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, and unlimited free traffic. It lets you run webinars with unlimited attendees, both live and pre-recorded ones. Then it gets you done-for-you traffic for free and even ready-made products to promote. The best part? You don't have to create your own product, webinar presentation, or even be live yourself. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Log into our stunning cloud-based software. There is nothing for you to host, set up, or configure. Step number 2. Select from the dozens of built-in DFY webinars already included, or import any video you didn't even make. Edit it with our included editor and make it go live simultaneously to sites like YouTube Live, Facebook Live, or Vimeo. Step number 3. Promote any of the included high-ticket offers or link your own affiliate products. Sit back and cash in $1,000 plus payments from webinars without ever holding a webinar yourself. Traffic comes from all your multiple simultaneous live streams. Plus, you can share your webinars on dozens of social media platforms for an instant influx of viral traffic. With everyone right now watching webinars, attending online video conferences, and watching live videos on YouTube, you'll get thousands of viewers with virtually zero work. Then, the software converts this traffic for you by making it purchase high-ticket affiliate offers and paying you $1,000 plus commissions for every sale. How cool is that? We're literally handing over the full benefits of webinars while removing 100% of the obstacles. No need to create your own product. No need to run your own webinars. No need to pay for traffic or ads. And the best part? No monthly fees either. See, for a long time, running webinars has been a costly experience reserved for the elites. By charging prohibitive 3-figure monthly prices, only the so-called gurus have had access to this incredibly high-converting system. You know and I know too, that running webinars can be a very profitable business, but ridiculous limitations and even more ridiculous $400 monthly fees puts off many people from doing webinars in the first place. Zoom alone charges $3,500 plus per year just for access to their webinar platform alone. Webbyo is much more affordable, comes with a one-time fee, and includes much more. We give you your own business on a silver platter. So now you have instant access with the push of a button to the 2 things that matter online. Traffic, done for you by Webbyo through live streams to all major platforms of pre-recorded videos and webinars. Something to sell, done for you by Webbyo through included high-ticket affiliate offers that pay you $1,000 plus per sale. So don't wait any longer and get access to Webbyo, the most revolutionary piece of software that every marketer needs to tap into the biggest traffic sources of the planet right now. Hurry and join today.